CY પ્લસ D ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. આ સર્કલ અને લાઇનનું ઇક્વેશન છે. કઈ રીતે કે ધારો કે એ ઇઝ નોન ઝીરો, એ નોન ઝીરો હશે તો આ સર્કલ દર્શાવશે, અને એ ઝીરો હશે, જો એ ઝીરો મૂકીએ તો BX પ્લસ CY પ્લસ D ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. એ લાઇનનું ઇક્વેશન છે. હવે અંડર ધ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન W ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1/Z આપણે એની ઇમેજ ફાઇન્ડ કરવી છે. Now we write W as a 1/Z. This implies Z is equal to 1/W. So 1/W as a U plus IV and Z as a X plus IY. So X plus IY is equal to 1/U plus IV. Now the complex conjugate of U plus IV is U minus IV, so multiply and the divide by U minus IV, and so we have U minus IV upon U square plus V square, and this implies X is equal to U upon U square plus V square and Y is equal to minus V upon U square plus V square. હવે ધારો કે એ ઇઝ નોન ઝીરો હોય તો આ ઇક્વેશન 1 ને ઇફ એ ઇઝ નોન ઝીરો એન્ડ બી સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ સી સ્ક્વેર ઇઝ ગ્રેટર દેન 4AD હોય તો ઇક્વેશન 1 ને આપણે આ ફોર્મમાં લખી શકીએ છીએ એક્સ પ્લસ બી અપોન 2A હોલ સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ વાય પ્લસ સી અપોન 2A હોલ સ્ક્વેર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ under root b square plus c square minus 4AD upon 2A whole square. So which represent circle with the center minus b upon 2A minus c upon 2A and the radius under root b square plus c square minus 4AD upon 2A. This is the radius. So if A is non-zero, then now if we put x is equal to u upon u square plus v square and y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square in equation 1, then we have a time. Put x is equal to this, so u upon u square plus v square whole square. Put y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square, so this whole square, plus bx, so plus b, x is equal to u upon u square plus v square, plus cv, so minus c, because we put y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square, and plus d is equal to 0. Now simplifying this equation, we have and multiply by u square plus v square, so we have d time u square plus v square plus bu minus cv and plus a is equal to 0. So this is the image of 1 under the transformation W is equal to 1/Z. Okay, now we discuss the cases. Now if we take A is non-zero and D is non-zero. So first we discuss when A is non-zero and D is non-zero. Now consider equation 1. A is non-zero and D is non-zero. So this represents circle which is not passes through 0, 0. Now if we put A is non-zero and D is non-zero, then the image of the circle 1 is always the circle D u square plus v square plus bu minus cv plus a, and since A is non-zero, so this circle is also not passes through the origin. Now we take if A is non-zero and D is equal to 0. Now if A is non-zero and D is equal to 0, so this equation 1 is now a x square plus y square plus bx plus cy is equal to 0. So here the constant term is 0 and constant term is 0. So this circle is passes through 0, 0. Now if we put d is equal to 0 in equation 2, then we get du minus cv plus a is equal to 0. So the image of this circle which is passes through 0, 0 is the line bu minus cv plus a, which is not passes through 0, 0 because a is non-zero here. Now we consider the third case when a is equal to 0 and d is non-zero. So if a is equal to 0, then circle 1 is now ax plus cy plus d. Now it's not circle, it's the line. So if a is equal to 0, then equation 1 represent line, and since d is non-zero, so this is the line which is not passes through 0, 0. Now what is the image of this line? So if we put a is equal to 0 in equation 2, then it's d time u square plus v square plus bu minus cv is equal to 0, and which is the equation of circle which is passes through 0, 0, because here the constant term is 0. Now we consider the last case, now 4. In case 4, when a is equal to 0 and b and d is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0, and if we put a and d both are 0 in equation 1, then we have bx plus cy is equal to 0, which is the equation of line which is passes through origin. Now what is the image? So image, if we put d and a is 0,
line.
so
Again a line.
again is line du minus cv is equal to 0, and it also passes through 0, 0. So so the by this transformation w is equal to 1 upon z, the circle and line transform into circles and line. Okay, now તમે next તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જોઈ શકો છો.
જુદા જુદા ગુણધર્મ જુદા જુદા ગુણધર્મ પ્રમાણે જુદું જુદું એનું ઇમેજ મળે છે કે જ્યારે ઓરિજિન માંથી પાસ થાય છે સર્કલ તો એની જે ઇમેજ મળે છે તે લાઈન મળે છે.
હા,
અને એ જ પ્રમાણે લાઈન જો ઓરિજિન માંથી પાસ થાય છે તો એની ઇમેજ લાઈન મળે છે. એ લાઈન મળે છે.
હા, ના પણ જ્યારે a અને d બંને 0 હોય છે ત્યારે લાઈનની ઇમેજ આપણને લાઈન મળે છે. જ્યારે ફર્સ્ટમાં a અને d બંને નોન ઝીરો હોય છે તો સર્કલની ઇમેજ ઓલવેઝ આપણને સર્કલ મળે છે, અને the circle which is not passes through 0, 0, the image is also not passes through 0, 0. હવે સેકન્ડ જે કેસ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કર્યો એમાં શું હતું? a is non-zero, d is equal to 0, means if circle is passes through origin, then its image is line. And in third case, if a is equal to 0 and d is non-zero, then then we have a line which is not passes through 0, 0. Then the image of this line is circle and it is passes through 0, 0.
એટલે સર્કલ માંથી સર્કલમાં જવાય છે અને સર્કલમાંથી લાઈનમાં જવાય છે અને લાઈનમાંથી
It
સર્કલમાં
depend
જવાય
on
છે.
the cases.
Cases.
And
ઓકે.
now તમે સ્ક્રીન પર જોઈ શકો છો. હવે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈ છે, ફાઇન્ડ ધ ઇમેજ ઓફ ધ ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ સ્ટ્રીપ 0 is less than y is less than 1 upon 2c under the transformation w is equal to 1 upon z. પહેલા આપણે ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ સ્ટ્રીપ બનાવશું ઇન z પ્લેન.
બોર્ડ પર જોઈએ હવે.
તમે બોર્ડ પર જોઈ શકો છો. આ z plane, and this is x axis and y axis. Now first 0 is less than y. 0 is less than y means this is y is equal to 0, but 0 is less than y, so I take this dotted line. This is 0 is less than y, and this is line y is equal to 1 upon 2c. So we want to find the y is between 0 and 1 upon 2c. So this is the image, this is the infinite strip. Want to find the image of this infinite strip. Under the transformation, W is equal to 1 upon Z. Now we know this. W is equal to 1 upon Z, and so Z is equal to 1 upon W. Z is equal to X plus Iy. W is equal to 1 upon U plus IV. And so multiply and divide by the complex conjugate of U plus IV, U minus IV upon U minus IV. And so we have U minus IV upon U square plus V square. And so now comparing the real and imaginary part, we have X is equal to U upon U square plus V square, and Y is equal to minus V upon U square plus V square. Now we first find the image of this. 0 is less than Y. First inequality. 0 is less than Y. Now put the Y is equal to minus V upon U square plus V square. So 0 is less than Y is equal to minus V upon U square plus V square. And this implies 0 is less than minus V. 0 is less than minus V, or you can write this as a V is less than 0. So this is the lower half plane in the W plane. Okay, now we find the image of this. Now we find the image of Y is less than 1 upon 2C. Y is less than 1 upon 2C. If you put Y is equal to minus V upon U square plus V square, then we have taking the cross product here. So minus 2CV is less than U square plus V square, or you can write this as a U square plus V square plus 2CY, 2CV is greater than 0, and we can write this as a U minus 0 square plus, if we add and subtract C square, then we can write this, then this is a V square plus 2CV plus C square is the perfect square of V plus C whole square, and this is greater than C square. So this is the exterior part of the circle. This is the exterior part of the circle with the center 0 minus C and the radius C. Okay, so we find two image V is less than 0 and the exterior part of the circle. Now we draw in the W plane. So in W plane, તમે તમારી સ્ક્રીન પર જોઈ શકો છો. The lower half plane, and the first I draw this circle with the center 0 minus C. So this is the center 0 minus C and the radius is C, and so the exterior part of this circle, and since V is less than 0, so this is the image. This is the image of this infinite strip under the transformation. Under the transformation, W is equal to 1 upon Z. તમે તમારી સ્ક્રીન પર જોઈ શકો છો. એટલે ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ સ્ટ્રીપનું તમને ઇમેજ આ રીતે મળે છે. નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ.
Find the image of the circle R equal to C under the transformation W equal to Z plus 1 by Z. Image of the circle R equal to C and transformation W equal to Z plus 1 over Z.
હવે મિત્રો R બરાબર C એટલે R બરાબર R એટલે અંડર રૂટ x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ y સ્ક્વેર is equal to C. Taking square both sides, so we have x square plus y square is equal to c square, and which represent circle with the center 0 0 and the radius c. Now we want to find the image of this circle under the transformation W is equal to Z plus 1 upon Z. તો હવે Z W બરાબર હું U plus IV લઉં, Z બરાબર R e raised to I theta લઈએ. So 1 upon Z is 1 upon R e I theta. So we can write this as a R e raised to I theta plus 1 upon R e raised to minus I theta. Now cos e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. So is R cos theta plus I sin theta plus 1 upon R. Now e raised to minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta. And so here the real part is R plus 1 upon R into cos theta, and the imaginary part is plus I time R minus 1 upon R sin theta. And now comparing the real and imaginary part, we have U is equal to R plus 1 upon R cos theta, and V is equal to the imaginary part, V is equal to this, so R minus 1 upon R sin theta. And so from this two equation, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta ni કિંમત, cos theta is equal to U upon R plus 1 upon R, and sin theta is equal to, from this equation, sin theta is equal to V upon R minus 1 upon R. Now R is equal to C, so cos theta is equal to R is equal to C, putting R is equal to C in this two equation. So cos theta is equal to U upon C plus 1 upon C, and sin theta is equal to C, V upon C minus 1 upon C. Now eliminating theta from this two equation, now we know this cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So substitute the value of cos theta and sin theta from this two equation. So we have U square upon C plus 1 upon C square